Hey there guys, so if you followed my last video, which was centered around installing base Arch in 13 minutes and 20 seconds with the desktop environment and the drivers that you need to run everything, well, you're not going to be at Miss Titties here, but you're going to be somewhere close. So this is usually what I end up coming to. A nice little panel up top with some transparency and blur effects, a nice dock down below. It just is better for my workflow. What most of you will end up coming to and might be a bit confused, and that's why I like to upload a post-install video, is so that's stock Gnome. That's it. This is what you get. The most hateful thing in the planet. It's not user-friendly at all, and it's freaking annoying. Why would you name it activities? Just name it start menu or something. I mean, it's annoying. The entire layout is annoying, and it just doesn't have very many options, and it just bugs the hell out of me. So today's video is going to be about making this a little more user-friendly. So the first thing you're going to be installing from this place is called Arc. So it's a menu replacement, so it's called Arc menu. It's right here. So you just click it and you hit install. There will be an install button instead of the extension settings button. And once you got that installed, you're going to get this bad boy. It looks awesome. Now that's not going to be the icon you're going to have. I replaced it with my own personal icon of the Arch symbol. And honestly, it's extremely user-friendly. It has everything that you need. And it's a great dock. Did I just say dock? I meant start menu. Wow. The next thing I install is what's called the Arch Linux Update Indicator. Same place from the Gnome Software Center. I just turn it on and it ends up being right here. We're already up to date. I can hit check now. We got one update pending, which is Intel TBB. Okay. And the next thing I usually install is Blur. Now, why Blur? Well, Blur allows us to have a fancy looking type of blur on the panel. It's just a liking. Now you have a choice between dash to dock, which gets the little dock, or dash to panel, which takes this bar up here, takes the dock and combines it into one big thing like this. So that's sort of for your Windows users that want a better experience and a lot more friendly experience. Now, if you have a keen eye, you may be wondering, why the hell is there an arrow here? Well, the arrow is freaking annoying. Trust me, I hate it. We're going to turn on dash to dock because it's what I use. So the next thing that I usually do is get rid of that arrows. So I use remove drop down arrows and it goes away. And look how much space it saves, honestly. Alright, next is the sound input and output device chooser. I have a microphone I like to turn down and up, and this allows me to do it. So let's look at before. Before you had no options. You just have this, but you can't choose your device outputs. What if you have a second microphone? That definitely helps when it's on. Sorry, I have to actually turn it on for it to help. There you go. Alright, I usually enable this and all this stuff. So we're going to do that as well. This is transparent OSD. So imagine you're turning your volume up and down. You're going to have a little thing that pops up. That's now going to be transparent. It's going to make it just look nicer. Transparent notification. So if we manage to get a notification, a little window would pop up here. That's also, going to be there. And user themes is a big one. So if we turn on the user theme, we're instantly going to have this. It's going to make it transparent. You're going to be able to see through it, and it looks really good. Another thing I do is weather in the clock. So that tells you how warm it is outside, if it's sunny or cloudy, Next, we're going to move on to CPU frequency. Again, if you click here, you can get them all from just searching. So I search CPU, and CPU frequency is right here. It has 4 stars. The one with 2 stars no longer works. It is null. Avoid it, okay? So it's pretty easy to make this very, very, very user-friendly. Now here's another thing that you're going to want to know about. So when you go in here, these two are going to be turned off. So that's the only button you're going to have. You're only going to be able to exit, not minimize or maximize. So go in here and turn this on. If you did follow the guide, you're going to have this tweak tool. So just search tweaks. Now you could put the placement left or right. So left, right, left, right. It's really up to you. But making these small adjustments definitely helps. So then we're going to come to this. Themes. What theme do you want? Well, if you're like me, I like a nice dark theme. So I have a theme called Sweet GTK, okay? So Gnome is GTK3. And it allows me to customize whatever I want. I have the shell as Arctic Amplicity. You can get that off of GitHub. It is currently a little bit outdated, but it does make the bar a whole lot better. So here's another thing. Blur. You have to make a few adjustments to it to get it right. So activities plus panel, and I have it at 0.59. We turn it up. We could have a very clear bar now because of what the Arctic Implicity theme does. It just removes like the panel itself, so it's just completely invisible. It makes you think that everything is a part of the desktop. It's so cool. And we want to turn it down just a bit. We can get a really good look or a really bad look. So I'm leaving it there now. Alright, that's it. Anyway, guys, if you like what you saw, we have a like button. Feel free to press that like button. If you didn't, please explain why in the comments instead of hitting the dislike button. Trust me, it's a whole lot easier. If you need another video going over how to make this even more user-friendly, just tell me. Yeah, I'll do the video. I don't mind at all. Gnome, when it's set up properly, can be so easy to use and can be so user-friendly, but when it comes out of the box, it's a piece of shit. Gnome is a piece of shit, and it sucks because it has a lot of potential when it's like this or when it has dash to panel, you can just make this look so good sometimes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely see you in the next one, and don't forget that you're awesome. Bye.